Imagine making money by watching a 30-second YouTube video. So just watch these YouTube videos for 30 seconds and you'll get paid. In this video we are going to talk about get paid $359 plus just watching YouTube videos. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you start with just one video site, you could make $18 per hour. If you work on 3 websites, you can make $50. If you watch videos on 5 sites, you could make up to $130 per hour. To make the most money, you should watch until the end and find out about all 5 websites. Don't worry, all of these sites are legit and you can join them for free. And it's global. Don't forget the extra tip that lets you earn double or even 3 times as much as other people. First, let's assume that if you're watching the video, you already have a YouTube account. Let's say you go to the search box. When you type the keyword winter travel, a number of videos that you can watch will come up. But you can watch simple YouTube videos like this one on 5 different sites. You can make money online like these people from all over the world, and you could do it from anywhere. So, here is the first website we'd like to show you today. They've been around since 2007 and have about 700,000 members. Because of this, more than 20,000 payments to customers from all over the world have already been made. Click the sign up button right here to make a free account. Now, you'll be taken to this website where you can sign up for free. Now, type in your email address, double check it, make a password, double check it, and type in your full name and username. You can type any text you want, including your gender, click to choose male or female, and date of birth. When we click the down arrow next to the word country, we can see that people from all over the world are welcome. We're interested in where you are right now. Now go to YouTube and click here. I'm not a robot. Then read their terms and conditions and what they say about privacy. You can also make an account for free. From there, you can just watch a short video like this for 30 to 60 seconds on YouTube. Now, the 30-second video pays less and the 60-second video pays more. Now, we usually just mute the movie, turn down the volume, and let it play in the background without actively watching it. So there's a good tip you can use. As you can see, we often have a lot of tabs open and switch between videos. You can also make more money faster by watching videos on your phone or computer. So, we want to tell you some ways to use YouTube so you can watch videos faster. As you can see above, you can speed up these videos by double-clicking on 2 times the speed after clicking on gear settings. As you can see, when we hit play, the speed of the video doubles. This lets you watch a 30-second video in just 15 seconds, which cuts its length in half. One of the best ways to get money fast by watching videos is to do what I just said. Okay, so here's another tip. You can actually lower the quality of the video. Even though it is set to auto, you can choose 144p to make sure the quality is as low as it can get. That will keep your data connection open. If your internet connection is slow, this will save you time. This site is called ucubes.com, by the way. Enter ucube.com. You can now make money by watching YouTube videos. Also, at dollarsinside.com, we can watch movies and earn money. This means that we can get paid every 10 seconds. We'll like this website because you can get paid for just watching a 10-second video. We also like that you can cash out right away if you reach the $2 limit. When you reach $2, you can get your money. On their website, your last 250 payments are shown. As you can see, people from all over the world are welcome. Look at how many places we're now visiting. And every day they get bigger. They don't hide the fact that they get paid. Here, you can see all of the usernames and the flags of the people's countries. Also, tell us if you see the flag of your country on the screen. That must be a lot of fun. From there, you can see how much you've made in USD and how you've been paid, such as through RTM, PayPal, and Payoneer. By watching movies on one website, we can see that, in addition to the recent dividend, Chocolate Bully has made $860, which is the total profit. You can see that this guy is worth $1,670, $2,200, or even $5,700. This is just what BucksInside.com says. Watch the video to find out more about all 5 sites before you try them out. So, if you want a free account, just click the register button at the top. On the registration form, you can enter any username you want, as well as your payment and login email addresses. In the referral area, you can choose US dollars or your local currency. As you can see, you can choose between PayPal, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, and the Coinbase ATM. So just put in the year you were born. At the bottom, you'll see a question that tells you to click on an icon, in this case, this icon. They just want to make sure you're not a robot. Then you can look at the rules for using the site. And you can click here to show that you agree. So, click Sign Up. Now, we'll move on to the third site, FusionCash.net. We've got a great tip for you. If you sign up for a free account, they'll pay you. As you can see, when you sign up for a free account, they give you a $5 bonus. Now, all you have to do to sign up for a free account is click on the Get $5 button. Type in your username, email address, and password. Confirm your password, then type in the zip code for your country, and click Register. Also, don't forget to double-check your email address. Check your email for the link to confirm your account. You can watch videos or make money with a free account. You can do things, download apps that make money, play games, or tell your friends about this website. So let's go to the next site, which is called iRazoo.com. Again, this is a real business. This website gives away cash and gift cards for free. And they have been giving cash prizes to all of their members right on their website. They have been featured on Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and The Wall Street Journal. You can join this website for free and start watching movies to earn points that can be traded for cash, gifts, or PayPal money. From there, click the button right here that says Start. Click here if you want to join with your Facebook account or another way. If not, you can set up a free account by giving your email address, first and last names, and a password. So let's show you what your account looks like when you log in. This is what you'll see on the iRazoo dashboard. Here are some tips. So the only way to get free points is to make a profile, answer a few questions, verify your email address, and upload a picture of yourself for your profile. And that's where we can get points for free. Then, click on the icon for the reward shop and choose your country. Those from the US should go here. Those from Canada should go here. If you live somewhere else, just click on any country. So the only way to get money from this website is through PayPal, which you can get by watching movies. Go to the next website. App Nana is a mobile app that you can use on both iOS and Android devices. If you have an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and search for a Nana free gift card. Then the logo should be easy to find. Here, you can watch videos to earn gift cards and cash. You can watch videos and earn Nana's Get Manus points, which can be traded for cash or gift cards. They have almost 500,000 reviews, and the average rating is 4.2 stars, which is pretty good for an app. This is it for today's video. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you want to hear from us again, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.